Today, we will talk about how to water indoor and outdoor plants while on vacation. Let's have a look at the details. You're all packed and ready for your vacation, but what about your plants? We'll help you leave all your worries behind with simple ways to water plants while away. With our easy ideas, you'll be able to take care of your plants in no time at all. Whether your plants are indoors or outdoors, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The first method is glass watering bottle. Get a glass bottle with a narrow neck. Using a wine bottle is ideal because it will be large enough to water 4 to 6 square feet for up to 3 days. If you don't need to water such a large area, you can use a smaller bottle, such as a soda or beer bottle. Alternatively, you can also use a store-bought watering globe or aqua globe. Saturate the plant soil with water. Fill the bottle with water and place your thumb over it. Turn the bottle upside down and push it 3 to 4 inches into the soil. As you're pushing the neck into the soil, move your thumb out of the way. Mark the bottle to be sure the water is draining properly. Check to make sure that the water level has lowered. If it has, your bottle is working well. The second method is string drip system. Place a 1-gallon jug next to your plant. Generally, a gallon of water will keep your plants watered for about a week. Cut one piece of string for each of your plants. Place one end of the string inside the jug. Poke the other end of the string about 3 inches into the soil. Saturate the soil before you fill the jug. Fill the jug with water. Position the mouth of the jug above the top of the plant. Gravity will pull water from the jug down into your plant's soil. The third method is bottle drip irrigation system. Poke 2 holes in the bottom of a 2-liter bottle using a hammer and nails. Add 3 to 5 holes to one side of the bottle. The bottle will water one plant, so you only need holes on the side of the bottle that face that plant. Bury the bottle in a hole next to the plant. Dampen the soil so it won't soak up all the water. Fill the bottle with water. Leave off the cap if you want to collect rainwater. Generally, the bottle will water your plant for at least a week or longer. If it rains, your irrigation bottle will last longer. The fourth method is plastic bag greenhouse. Place a damp towel in the bottom of a large, clear plastic bag. The bag will trap moisture in the bag, so it drips back into your plants, watering them. Place your plant inside the bag on top of the towel. Water your plant if the soil is dry. Tie the bag loosely to create a mini greenhouse. Move the plants away from direct sunlight. The fifth method is bathtub. Line your bathtub, sink, or a large container with towels. The towel will prevent the plant pots from scratching your tub, sink, or container. Place all of your plants in the tub, sink, or container, or as many as will fit. Add 2 to 3 inches of water. Your plant will draw water through its pot's drain holes as needed. And the fifth method is friend or neighbor. Ask a friend or neighbor to water your plants. Choose someone who lives fairly close to you, so that it's easy for them to help you out. Group potted plants together based on watering needs. This will be easier for your friend or neighbor to keep track of. Write down specific care and watering instructions. Be detailed about what you want your friend or neighbor to do, because they might not have the same plants as you. Cut down on the visits your friend or neighbor needs to make by thoroughly watering your plant before heading off on vacation. You'll be able to enjoy your time away, knowing your plants are well tended. Offer to return the favor. This will reassure your friend or neighbor that you aren't just using them. They will also be more likely to help plant sit for you the next time you go on a trip. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.